Hi guys, welcome to Wajeeha Creative Corner. In this video, you will learn how to transform your text with type cutout. Let's get started. First, we will go to apps and here we will search for type cutout. So here is the app. We will just open this app and we will type here our text. You can change the font and alignment of the text. So now we will choose the file here. I will choose this one and open it. It will take few minutes to cut out our text. This is the preview. You can also change or start if you have any face or any other image. So here is the edit mode. Now we will just finish editing and we will see the result. Here you can see the final result. You can also use it to fill your text with your image. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe for more Canva tutorials. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.